That was a good one. That was gonna be a good one too here. Here you go, Grandma.
You want to taste it? You're like, no, I want to play with it. Why don't we ever put a bib on you? Oh. Yeah, you got that one put in your mouth almost. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You want to try this one?
That one looked big.
Let's see if he dies.
That's funny.
It's not supposed to be funny. We'll keep a close eye on you. Oh, you got, see, look, he cut it in half. He's like, Mom's right, that's too big. Are you still doing video?
Yeah.
One more? Oh!
Good job, babe. You're doing good.
Chew and everything.
It's still on your hand, though.
What was it? Look.
See, I'm gagging.
Just a little bit, right? Cutie. Cutie. Nice, stop. Wait.
Still on your hand there,
You
babe.
can't quite get it in there, can you? Here. It's right here. Right here. There you go.
It's a big one, too.
Did you see Daddy eat some of that?
You know, is that what you think of it? It's like, no, don't really like it that much.
You're chewing it up. Having too much success, but you're trying.